Okay, now I'm a teacher. This one silly. This is smart and kind. First one is divide. Watch me, okay? Okay. I will can drawing. This divide can 8. Wait. 10 divided by 5 equals nothing. Next, who's can take this? Me. Smart and kind. Wow, good job, smart and kind. Now, claps smart and kind. Good. Okay, let's go, Matt.
Hi guys, may
My head
ako.
is
So, kita nyo
commercial.
to,
That's
power bank ko, diba?
Let me
Sobrang
post.
liit.
Oh shit, Tagalog. Bro. Click the X. Bro, why is lagging? This one is absent. Bro, why your pencil so giant? Yes, is no one. Okay. Oh no, you done silly. Bro, why are you drawing? Ah! Ah, no. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Ouch. Ah. Ouch. Smart and kind. Oh, she not done yet. Okay, now let me tell you guys. Subscribe, please. Thank you. Yay. Subscribe me, please, guys. Thank you. Please, me too. Oh, I forgot draw the equals. Subscribe me, play, guys. Thank you. Subscribe me too. Oh, me too, guys. I forgot the equals. Yay, thank you. Subscribe me, please. How will you say no? My math, you delete my math. Okay, now thumbs up. You. Good guy, you. Good guy, you. Good guy, you. Good guy. U F minus U A plus U A plus U A plus U A plus. Guys, tell me, are you cheating? No, bro, I will subscribe you. Okay, you know. Guys, you want some magic? Yay! No, I'm just joking. Ah ha ha. I don't like to magic because I'm a smart. Bro, no. Why? You don't be smart, okay? Let's go and read, okay? Zoom. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Bro, why you not read? Yachting. Ah, my word and your car. Ah, ah. So, okay, no. Put this. Now, that's it's too many absent. Now let's go correct on the just nothing. Ting ting ting. Ting, ting. Ouch! Haha, you too. Okay, next. Go on the home. Yay! Huh? Wait! Your bag! That's results. That's seriously. What you do? This one silly forgot your bag. This one, this heavy is not entrance bag. Ah! Ew, disgusting. Ah! Oh.